YouTube, what's good, man? Y'all already know it's your boy Sliz, aka Poppy Slizzo, and we is back with another video. I ain't been dropping in a minute. I got a lot of videos that's backed up. I've been busy, but you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna bring y'all some more content. And today we is out here with some pretty little lows. You know what I'm saying? We pulled up a little heavy today. Oh, y'all don't see mine though, right? That's because mine is in the shop right now, getting some stuff done. Yeah, but I'm getting some stuff done to mine right now. So I've been in the shop for about 2 weeks right now. But when it come out, just know it ain't gonna look the same. We got Corey over here. Y'all see he got his little pretties on. I'm gonna go through this little lineup.
Make sure y'all check them out, man. Oh, who we got here?
Hey, man, who we got over here?
Sayful Alonzo, aka the Black Bruce Banner, aka a trophy winner. You know what I'm saying?
You know
Texas
what I'm
Wood Fest doing. Hopefully, gonna get one here.
You know it.
We're gonna see. But yeah, y'all make sure y'all rock with everybody in the whole crew, man. We're going all the way up. Who we got here?
Hey, man, Poppy Slizzo, aka, you know what I'm saying? We in this thing, living with Sliz.
Yes,
going
indeed.
up.
Yeah,
you know,
Jay Walker.
we just a little bit, just a little bit,
drip,
you know what I'm saying?
Y'all already seen this car before.
Chris NYC, he did his thing. I like these little things right here, though. He went all out. Y'all hit my boy. What we got over here? This Hemi thing. Yeah, Hemi now. Hey, I like this color. Got snorkels. Got the brake calibers. Okay. $392 thing. Let's go on and go get the man with the plan on the screen. I ain't get a haircut this week, sir. Leave me alone. We don't care about your face.
That's me right there right now.
Don't nobody know who you are. Even though they know who you are, but they don't know who you are.
Corey Mo _ on Instagram. And on YouTube, living with Corey Mo. Come live with me. Like, not literally, but you know what I'm saying?
Nah, he want y'all to come live with him. He pay bills. That's for the women only, though. We don't want none of you men's.
Yeah.
You men's.
No ocean.
Y'all see Corey Mo with the little pretties. He got his little pretties on. And look who we got over here. Y'all go follow my boy. With the bronze forges. Y'all see foes on that boy. We're gonna show y'all what it is, though. It is a cat. Red Brembo on that boy. He got his lights too, but he ain't got them on. But y'all already know who this famous man is over here. Scat Pack Black. Hey, y'all gonna be in Vegas. We is gonna be in SEMA. This is a SEMA car. If y'all don't know, this is gonna be in SEMA. But he getting a lot of stuff done to it. He ain't got his little pretties on right now, though. But we all gonna be at SEMA. My car ain't gonna be in SEMA because I ain't gonna be ready. And if y'all want all this stuff done up under y'all hood and the inside, hit up my boy, cause he do it. This who you hit up. Scat Pack Black. He got everything done. The inside's all done. He do it. So we just a little light today. We ain't really stepped out doing nothing, but I'm gonna get y'all some more footage in a minute for the car show that's over there. So stay tuned. Everybody see the real jet pulled on up. Hey everybody, he is selling this thing. So if y'all want it, hit up Real.
I ain't finna spend my money for that type of shit.
No, that's what I said.
You spending your money just to lose, cause they ain't finna mess with nobody, especially on street style.
It is a cat, so if y'all want it, hit them up. It's for sale.
Man, come on, man.
You know what I'm saying?
65,000. I had a lot of offers though.
He said he wants 65,000.
Yeah, one guy offered me 62, another guy 63, another guy supposed to came from Atlanta with 60, but
He said he wants 65,000.
I ain't buzzing.
Yeah, 65,000.
I got too much money in mine, man. Yeah.
If you ain't coming with 65,000, don't hit him up. Don't be, oh bro, I got 62. Nah. You know what I'm saying? It is a cat, leather, red seats, seatbelts, I mean. You see he racing, so you know he running something up under there.
I ain't even gonna enter no rush or nothing like that. It's over there. You know what I'm saying? We made our own thing over here.
You know what I'm saying?
Y'all see my boy in my head working, man. They putting out the camera. See some channel? Already appreciate the support too. My boy out here working too.
Hey, living with Sliz, hit me up. We're going for a ride.
Already make sure y'all subscribe.
It's hot, but we better go get some more little footage real quick, because we got some more running around to do. You see, I got mines with me today. My little one. As y'all see, there's a lot of stuff out here right now. If I'm a little muffy, because I got this mask on. It's a little pretty little. I like this little flame job. Y'all see he got his little tack steering wheel, so he probably running something. Carbon fiber all in the inside. Pretty green. Oh, supercharged. 2020 V01.
You don't get it?
We got a lot of old things out here today. 1947. I'm trying to be on some Bonnie and Clyde. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, they came out today. I thought this was a real person, but it ain't. Bill Bob. 1924 Ford Model T. If y'all know about Model T's, y'all know this car right here is worth a whole lot, as it is rust bucket and all. Chihuahua. We got a little rat ride right here. It's probably gonna blow the doors off a lot of stuff y'all got, even though it don't look like it. We got a lot of little stuff out here. It's hot though. I got this little GT, which y'all see is parked in forward because we don't want to see that, but we trying to see this right here though. I am big 502 in this thing. Beautiful. Well, he gotta fix that up. He gotta fix that right there though. I'm saying fix that. But then after that, it's cool. You good. Oh, we getting to the jumpies. Jumpy is hydraulics for y'all. You got them Daytons on there. They 10s, but I keep them clean. Hey, that paint dancing. Cut dogs. Oh, now, this is my type of time right here. This is my type. Oh, they done redid the whole thing. They got the book and all. MSD box. This is my type of time right here. Real woods up on there. Y'all already see what it is. He got the racing seats in here. Big back tire. So y'all know he gripping. Y'all see he gripping. We're ain't done.
Yes, he did. This is like a combination of old school, because that's old school.
And new technology.
Yeah, new technology.
That root beer on that boy look nah. But details, man, it's details with these low riders. It's detail, just the little details. All that chrome. Look, like I just said, the details, people. Detail. Look at this right here. I'm about to show y'all some detail. Pay attention. Come down here to the tile. Look at this. Detailing, my people. And you all up under the car. Detail. That's just under the car. You know what I'm saying? Then you come on up here. It's detail. That detail of crazy food. This phone ain't doing this paint no justice. Like I just said, detail all on the inside. That's what it looked like at first.
Did everything I had to? I can pull it out, whatever. This.
Okay, so you got a 455 Rocketeer.
I got 425.
420.
I got the original 425. This is all block, everything is all original.
I heard the man.
I just added stuff of it. I had the wires going here, I had all the stuff, whatever.
Beautiful detail.
I want a class.
Yeah.
I was happy I won a class.
This car is outstanding. Really. In fact,
Now he got them slicks back there, so you know he running. Somewhere, let's see up under here. Shoo! So there's a lot of old stuff out here today. Y'all know this is my type of time. Y'all can have that new stuff. Stingray. Got your known over here, drop top. Brembos. No, this is my type of design. I'm trying to get to these last two. Y'all see. But these boys ain't playing no games with y'all, man, with these cars and trucks. C10. Got everything already redone. Cluster. Excuse me. Like I just said again, people. Details. Details to bring your whole car out, man. Well, who got this Bel Air right here? Y'all know, if y'all know me, bro, this is one of my cars that I need. I need a Bel Air in my collection. Now I do it the exact same way. All original. All original. I wouldn't change it. Boy. That thing nice. That thing nice. But that thing right here is even nicer. All right, y'all can pause and read that. You know what I'm saying? You got stuff everywhere, man.
I'd look for that first. Actually, no, I'd probably do the suspension first.
They got stuff everywhere, mine. They got stuff all over there. Look at the Camino right here. There's big tires, so you know he's sitting on, so he's running something. Hey, everybody that got an old school, you need a fire extinguisher. Unless you want your car to burn down. Y'all done seen this one before in my last video. I like that, that's different. Details, people. People put a lot of money in their cars, man. People put a lot of money in their cars, man. Y'all see him over there? Look, wait, where's my finger? Him right there? You always want to look at something that's blue. Why you don't want to look at nothing that's red, orange, purple, pink? Well, I tell you. See, look at him, look at him, look at him. You see that? Him right there? Him right there. Him right there. Boy, I always tell you. And I always the short people. Because everybody that don't know Corey is only 4'11".
Hello. You want to shout out to your...
No, I don't want to shout out to nobody. No. Nope.
So you want to shout out to...
I don't got...
Go ahead and get this one real quick.
Get what?
This car right here.
What car? Where? That? Where?
The blue one.
The who?
Right behind you.
I don't know what that is.
You ugly.
Well, you is very disrespectful. But this boy is nice though. Got the blue Dayton's. Boy, it is hot. Oh, he on the grand. If y'all don't believe me that he on the grand, that's the pipe. That's the grand. Look. That's it. So that means he on the grand. Oh, he banging.
So where you want to take?
up, man? Y'all already know it's your boy Sleaze, aka Poppy Slizzo. Hit me up, Living with Sleaze, and we doing it just like that.
For sure.
Hey, these boys out here fighting. They doing something. These boys all sitting on the floor. He got the whole display going. Phew. Let me come back because he got the helmet, so you know he doing something. Come on now. You know he doing something. Oh, my type of time right here. If anybody know where I can find me one of these at, hit me up ASAP. Hit them DMs. I really want it. Split bumper. Yes, sir. This boy nice. It's blacked out. Got another Bel Air right here.
And I had to go in and cut the bottom of it off, and then so that bottom part of it.
I ain't playing out here, man.
That's on the difference on it. I know, I have one. The bottom for back with the shit, see the square.
72. Limit.
The other shit? No, about the other shit.
Caño frescas. Yes.
Hey, that boy sitting chunky monkey. Man, his lights dancing. He got lights everywhere. Rocky, okay.
He's thinking about that, but then he also talks about a Bronco, and I'm just like, that's gonna be so expensive.
Well, he got the biggest blower up on this thing. All chrome. Details. Pause. .383. 383 stroker. I do got this in my old school, but I just don't got the big dual carb setup or the blower. But my 72 Impala do got a 383 stroke. And it's funny because it's the same color, burgundy. Hey man, it is hot. It's 1,000 degrees outside. I got this Louis Vuitton leather mask on. I'm about to go get in somebody's shade, drink me some water, and chill out with my little girl, make us a little swimming or something. But hey man, y'all stay rocking with the channel, man. We going up all 2020. I got a lot of mods, some more stuff coming to the car. I'm gonna drop that old school on my channel in a minute. I'm almost done with that. So y'all stay tuned, man. Cause it's no stopping, bro. I'm gonna run over you like an 18-wheeler if you ain't a part of my campaign. So you dig, you better hop on me while you can. So until next time, you dig, hey, hit that subscribe, like, share, comment, tell me what you think. And it's all up, 2020.